Are you looking for the best tool belts for framers? In this video, we will break down the top 5 best tool belts for framers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Occidental Leather 8089 LG OXYLIGHTS 7-bag framer set. The USA's best tool belt brand Occidental Leather has been providing the best leather tool belt for a long. Indeed, Occidental 8089 is a specially designed framer's tool belt that is proficient at meeting a farmer's needs. Therefore, excellently designed with leather and industrial nylon intelligently combined fabrication. Also, padded with 2-ply fabricated bags keeps the excellent shape, and all tool holders are leather crafted. Moreover, trademark OXYLIGHTS leather-made main bag corners provide a no-spill system for tool security. Hand-specific tool holders for long-handled tools. In addition, 12-ounce belting leather with a steel roller buckle ensures the strength of the belt. Furthermore, the Occidental leather belt contains 22 pockets and tool holders for carrying maximum tools. Also, this attractive framing belt has only the right-hand version. At number 2. CLC Custom LEATHERCRAFT 51452 Framers Tool Belt. This one is what numerous heavy-duty framers are looking for. The CLC Custom LEATHERCRAFT 51452 Pro Framers Tool Belt enables us to perform our tasks confidently. There is no doubt that CLC is a reliable source for workers in different fields to find their right companion. If you are currently in need of a resilient tools belt, look no farther than this. The combination of ballistic nylon and top-grain leather surely turns this product into one of the most sought-after pieces in the market. It is incredible for a long workday when you have to carry around a big amount of equipment. Compared to other pieces, this one's width is greater, too. It is about 5 inches and fits around a 29-inch to 46-inch waist. Both small tools and big tools have their room in 27 pockets of this bag. You can keep your nails in one pouch, utility knife in another, pliers, and other stuff in smaller pockets. Also, any hanging gear can stay on the sleeves. Such an ample device will let you put into it all the selective equipment to boost your productivity. At number 3. Dead-on-Do FR Framers Rig. The Dead-on-Do FR Framers Rig will lure some buyers in with its price, but it has enough downside that it won't be the right choice for most people, no matter the price. It has the highest pocket count on our list at 32 pockets. You do get good storage capacity with this model, which is a huge point in its favor. It also comes with suspenders, which is some extra value that you don't get from every model on our list. However, the belt tends to fold up if the suspenders aren't used, so if the suspenders break or you don't like using them, you're out of luck. Likewise, this belt doesn't have carrying handles. These come standard on most belts, so there's not a convenient way of moving your tool belt around if you're not wearing it. It also runs a bit small. It's supposed only to fit people who have 28 to 36-inch waists, which is not that wide overall. Since it won't fit everyone, it's not the most valuable belt in the world, and considering its other flaws, it would be hard for this belt to take higher than the last place on our list. At number 4. SUSPENDERS 98434 Pro Framers Tool Belt Combo. This Pro Framers combo crafted by heavy-duty top-grain leather in dark tan color. Also, its contrast sewing with heavy-duty nylon thread on dark tan color will fix your eyes on the belt. Moreover, best featured, this tool belt contains versatile double pouches, and both pouches designed with 17 pockets and a comfortable carry handle. On the other hand, there are 6 internal pockets in the right side pouch, and the tape holder and additionally 2 smaller holders for nail sets, pencils, knives, etc. In addition, a combination square and pry bar holder consists of it. Besides, a 3-inch wide shaped leather belt with double-prong metal roller clip can easily fit on your waist size 34-inch to 46-inch. Especially this framer's tool belt consists of all hardware and antique finishes that ensures an awesome look. Finally, this excellent leather tool belt innovated by SUSPENDERS, the USA-renowned posh leather goods producer. As a leather tool belt lover, you must agree SUSPENDERS 98434 is one of the best tool belts in the marketplace. At number 5. Bucket Boss 55135 Tool Belt with Suspenders. The Bucket Boss 55135 is a mullet-busted suspenders rig that innovated by Bucket Boss, a well-known tools organizer company in the USA since 1987. Therefore, made from industry-leading 2-ply 1680D heavy-duty poly fabric with single-body construction. Also, there are 29 pockets, and 3 adjustable pouches can be removed and customized for tools to organize. In addition, reinforced barrel bottom pouches permit super carrying capacity. Moreover, this great featured belt includes 1 steel hammer holder and an extra loop for long-handled tools. Cat's paw sleeves and a tape measure metal clip included it. Besides, load bear stretch suspension technology for more comfortable movement while at work. Furthermore, removable padded suspenders include a chest retaining strap for weight balance. Also, a cell phone pocket that fits most smartphones. Certainly, Bucket Boss 55135 and Infinity Belt can be adjusted up to a 52 waist by using solid steel buckle and monster grommets.